Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to automatically move emails to a folder in Gmail. This simple trick will help you organize your inbox and keep it clutter-free. To get started, open Gmail and select an email. Click on the label button, then choose Create New Label. Type docs as the label name and click Create. Now go back to your inbox and select another email. Click on the three-dot menu, then choose Filter Messages like these. Next, click Create Filter, select the options you need, and click Create Filter again. Once done, return to your inbox, click on the docs label, and you'll see all the filtered emails moved there automatically. If you ever need to adjust these settings, go to Settings, click on See All Settings, and make any necessary changes. That's it. Now your emails will be automatically sorted, making it easier to manage them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.